Okay.
My dad and my mom. I go to the beach.
You go to the beach.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I saw a beach.
Mm-hmm. And
Kite
then
is all day.
what?
The kite is all day.
And then
Then, that is where kite spiky.
and then
Then, spiky.
what do you do in the beach? What did you eat? Did you cook there? Did you pack your lunch? What did you do there? Apart from swimming.
Daddy eating day. I want my food. I swim in my own only.
You swim in. Okay.
So much sweet.
Where are your other family members? Are your cousins with you? Show me your cousins.
In the house.
In the house. So do you play with your cousins?
Yes. My toys.
With your toys. Okay, name your cousins. Who are those? What's the name of your cousin?
Daddy.
No, cousin. Those are cousins, right?
Mommy.
Your cousins, your kuya, your relatives.
Andrew. Mommy. Daddy.
Your mom and dad still.
Yes.
Okay, so show me, Andrew. Wait. Okay, there you go. And then the other one. Let me see. Okay, thank you, Andrew. Bye.